Oh shit, here we go again.
Yo, B, light that motherfucking blunt. We bout to lace him with that real psychedelic venom. Southgate to Shaolin, real ones only. You fake ass busters better duck and run home. Yo, I'm that brain-fried lunatic, acid in my veins. Glock by the nuts, cocaine in the chains. Psycho nigga, 6 deep in the bucket. Got a sawed-off bitch, best believe I'll buck it. Used to flip crack out the alley with the vatos. Now I rip mics, spill blood in the potholes. Poison breath, I'm a shadow with the tech. Cypress Hill warlord, grip the mic like a neck. Ain't no warning, just shots in the corridor. High as a comet, bang on your corridor. The bitch in your clique just gave me the signal, now we storming. Full moon moving mental. Get stomped out, lay flat on the floor. Machete in the coat like I'm ready for war. I don't give a fuck, guess it blast your speakers. Rolling with gorillas, weed smoke in the sneakers. Chop off your tongue if you talk too slick. Your girl on my dick like a pit on a stick. I don't play nice, I don't beg no peace. I just aim real low, let the hollow tips feast. I bring venom in doses, overdose your nose. Pop a pill, chase it down with a slug, now you froze. Fuck Photoshop, show me a bitch with some scars who ride dirty with a blunt and stash in a bra. Psycho realm shit, it gets deeper. Voices in my head talking louder than the reefer. AK rock steady, machete in the trunk. Gasoline rags for them pigs trying to front. Break your neck, fool. Poison clan, light it up, no regrets, fool. We the ones in the dark with the blades. Southgate, local Cypress, never afraid. Break your neck, fool. Light it up, let the venom flood the veins. Blast your face with the flame, leave the wall stain. Cypress Hill, bitch, remember the name. I don't follow no laws, I break them with the grin. Hit the courtroom, high, piss dirty.